Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how to scale in Ultimaker Cura. So yeah, let's get straight into it. So make sure your 3D model is loaded onto virtual build plate. Left click on the object to select it. Also here you will see this blue frame will appear around it, and the editing tool here on the left side of the screen will unlock. Now you can use here the S key on your keyboard as a shortcut, or here just press scale. Alright, now what you can do, you will see here these three lines also on the object, so blue, green and red, and we can drag this as we want. So now it's really big. I don't know what I did it right here now, so it's too big. So you get the point. What you can do with these lines here. Now you see it's too big for our plate. So what we can do here now is simply change here. So you see I can change this. Uncheck in uniform scaling. So if you change X, that you just change X, not Y and Z also. So let's do that, for example, to show you like that. Now you see it's more flat as it should be. And yeah, this is pretty much scaling. You can play around it with percentages, with millimeters if you want. So yeah, this is pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in